Hello and welcome to your very first DJing lesson. In this lesson, we'll be giving you a very detailed idea about the various studies associated with giving you an introduction to the DJing industry. So let's begin with the very first topic. Who is a DJ? A DJ is a person who mixes pre-recorded music in front of a live audience. This definition has various important terms, which is a person. So a DJ is not a machine, but it's a person who mixes music. The second important aspect is mixing music. So a DJ does not cut two tracks, but it mixes these two tracks and blends them together into a seamless transition. So the third most important aspect is that it includes pre-recorded music. Now pre-recorded music should not be confused with a pre-recorded set. A pre-recorded set is something which is recorded at your home or at your studio. So a DJ does not have to actually mix it live in front of the audience. So this should not be confused with a pre-recorded set. Pre-recorded music means something that it does not produces music on stage, but it simply mixes the produced music on stage. So it brings us to another aspect, that are DJs also music producers? DJs need not be a music producers and vice versa. So basically it is not necessary that a music producer has to be a DJ, or a DJ has to necessarily be a producer. A DJ may simply be a DJ and mix the music produced by other music producers.
Can't tell the difference.